Hi everyone, welcome to Draftsman Studio, place to ignite your creativity. Today we are going to see a simple temple silhouette art with watercolors. So this art is going to be for beginners. I am doing the outline with pencil. This is going to be a rough sketch. I am doing a temple and a bullock cart with two trees and with a little more bushes on the right side of the temple. After that, we have to apply complete water in the first layer of the sky. I'm not using any colors now. Make sure you use a masking tape at the corners so that you need not be careful while doing the edges. Today I did not use, so I had to be very careful. Now I'm taking yellow and bit of orange and I'm going to blend it off. So this blending is going to be very beautiful and easy because I already applied water in the base. Also, if you'd like to know what are the paper and all the materials what I'm using, if you would like to know, please check the description box. I will mention that. And little bit of color has come inside the temple because I'm sure it's going to be black color in the middle, so it's not an issue. This is going to be a village scene from South India. And to give more darker shade for my orange, I am mixing it with red so that it will enhance the picture. After that, I am drawing the bottom another line so that we can show the shadow of the sky, that is the water part. Now I am going to use black because this temple, bullock cart and trees are going to be the silhouette view, so it is going to be black. So those shadows also will be reflecting in the water, and that only I am going to do now. So this is how it looks at this point in time. And one more thing, I use flat brush for the sky and the reflection of the sky in the water. But after that we can use a round small brush for the black shadows alone. And again I moved on to the temple silhouette part, that I am using flat brush again. And when we are going to finish the edges, you can use a round brush and fine brush, it should be maybe like size 2 you can use, so it will be very easy to fill up the edges. Also, I'm doing some birds on the sky so that it will enhance the picture. Now I'm moving on to the temple details. And finishing the bullock cart. Wherever we see patches, we can definitely do another layer of black to complete the picture. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this channel, please subscribe to my channel Draftswomen Studio and please share it with your friends and family. See you in another video. Bye bye.